Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last week and how the price of natural gas can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what that natural gas price is moving at a level of $2.269. Okay, and overall trend, if you look at this after 23rd week of May, what we have seen, it is on the downside. But if you look at this particular before that period, we have seen a U pattern is forming. Okay, this is the second thing that you have to note. After that, there is a pattern forming that you have to understand that whenever it hit its previous high, we have seen a sharp fall has come. Okay, and if you look at this particular sharp fall, what this sharp fall says, that this sharp fall is from 30, 40 to even 100% fall we have seen. Okay, a swing has formed, that is where it goes upside, and then after that, after making half around $9.9, it came down. It has already made a low of around $2.061. Okay, and that is already being a weak support. So you have to keep that in mind. If the price comes close to this level, there we can see a sharp fall can come. Before we move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go in the next week, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I have given in the description. You can join that too. See, previously I have already explained you that there is a U pattern forming. After that, it has come upside. Okay, a high of around 2.43. This is the high of this particular high, and as a cup pattern forming, so chances was very high it can go towards a level of 2.8, which I have already explained you in my previous video. Now it is on the downside. Okay, if you look at this particular chart, that if it sustain, chances are very high that if this level sustain, it can go further upside. But we can see there is from 2 weeks there is a continuous downfall. Okay, and a probability of going further down is there, because if this particular support didn't sustain, so if it moves below this level, then we can see it can go further down. Suppose if the price sustain, let's see if the price sustain, or if this support give a bounce back towards upside. So if this sustain, it can go further upside, and a probability it can touch a level of around $2.32. Okay, and suppose if the price move above that particular level, it can touch a level of around 2.496. This 2.496 is already being a weak resistance, so chances are very high after this particular level it can touch a level of around $2.58. Okay, and if the price sustain above $2.58, then chances of going towards a level of around 2.693 will be there, and from there we can see it can cross a level of around $2.79. Okay, so once it sustain above this particular level, yes, a probability we can see a level of $3.006, which is already half this particular zone. Okay, so once this zone breakout happen, then we can see it can go further upside. But if this level breaks further down, then a probability of going further low will be there, because once started falling below this particular zone, then chances of going towards 2.216 is there. Okay, and if that level goes further down, then yes, it can go towards a level of 2.094. You have to keep that in mind. Once started falling below this level, chances of going further low will be there, and it can cross this particular level and can go below a $2 zone. So you have to keep it in mind that once started falling below 2.096, then yes, a probability is very high it can go towards a level of $1.947. Okay, after that it can go further down towards a level of 1.793. Okay, and if that level fall further low, then a probability of touching 1.651 is there, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of $1.520. Okay, and this is the level where we have seen once started falling, we can see it can go further down. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.